Good morning to all the students of class 8. Most welcome to all of you in online class. This is Karunesh Mishra from Lakshmi Prasad Memorial Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Dear students, in previous video we have studied about the land resources and in this video we will complete the soil resources, which is one of the natural resources. After this we will study about the water resources in detail. So let's start to discuss about the soil resources. We have discussed about it in previous video about the soil resources. Soil is the uppermost layer covering the surface of the earth. When you pick up the soil with your bare hands, then what do you feel? We know about it very well that soil is consist of minerals and organic matters, air and water. Soil is consist of air, water, mineral and organic matters. Minerals come from weathering of rocks, while organic matter consists of biological plants and organisms, both living and dead. It also has a humus, which is partially decomposed organic matters. Water in the soil contains dissolved nutrients, and air in it has high level of gases such as carbon dioxide and low level of oxygen. The right mix of organic matter and minerals makes soil fertile. We have studied about the formation of soil. How is soil formed? We have studied. So once again I would like to ask you that how the soil is formed. Dear students, soil varies from place to place and even from one field to the next. For example, the soil next to a river could have lot of nutrients, making it a productive area, while the soil on a plateau a little far away could be stony and unproductive. Why does the soil vary so much from place to place? What is the reason behind it? Several factors affect soil formations. Some of them are parent rocks, climate, vegetation and time. So parent rock, climate, vegetation and time, these are the factors which affects the soil formations. Parent rock, originally the original rock. Parent rock means the original rock from which soil is formed is called the parent rock. This determines the type of minerals, content, texture, color, chemical properties and permeability. For example, for the understanding, granite rocks will produce square loamy soil structure, while basaltic rock produce clay loamy texture. Second factor which affects the formation of soil is a climate. Climate is one of the most important factor that affect the soil formations. The soil formations, warm temperature, steady and abundant water supply speed up the formations of soil. On the other hand, plateau with the cold climatic conditions like low temperatures and less precipitations slow down the soil formations. and time is also a very important factor which affect the soil formations. Time is another important factor influencing soil formation. Soil takes thousands of years to form. Some soil change color and also its properties over a time period. Topography, that means vegetations or physical feature, also affects soil formations. The slope and steepness of the land influence the rate at which water flows into or of the soil. A lot of heat and moisture gets trapped in soil in a plains, thus making it richer and fertile. Hillsides may relatively have a thinner soil because of erosion, wind and water. So now the topic which we are going to study is profile of the soil. Profile of the soil, that means layer of the soils. So there are several factors that affect the compositions of soil. As I have explained you that soil is consist of minerals, organics, water and air. So there are several factors that affect the compositions of the soil. Its thickness, which is the basic property of soil, varies from a few centimeters to a few meters. Despite such variations, soil have nearly identical and vertical structure. Let's study about it in detail. It forms in horizontal layer. It forms in horizontal layer at the upper surface of the earth. The uppermost layer of soil is known as the topsoil. The uppermost layer of the soil is known as the topsoil. It is the first layer with a lot of humus. So the uppermost of the layer is known as the topsoil, and it has a lot of humus which makes the soil fertile. Immediately below is the subsoil that consists of uneven coarse particles, and below the topsoil the layer is called subsoil. Okay, below the topsoil the layer is called subsoil, and it has alluvial soil or least materials. So the subsoil that consists of uneven coarse particles of rock and very little humus. Below the subsoil is the bedrock. Below the subsoil, this is the subsoil. Below the topsoil is the layer of subsoil, and below the subsoil is the bedrock. So below the subsoil is the bedrock, which is hard, solid and tightly bound rock. Different layers of soil together is known as soil profile. Different layers of soil is known as soil profile. So the uppermost layer of the soil is known as topsoil. The middle layer of the soil is known as subsoil, and below the subsoil there is a bedrock. So these are the three layers of soil, and these layers together known as soil profile. Okay. Now we will study about the soils of India in detail. Okay. So come to the point. Soil of India. In this we will study about different kinds of soil. Till now we have studied about what is soil, what are the compositions of soil, and what are the factors that affects the formation of soils. We have studied about the different layers of the soil like topsoil, subsoil and bedrock, which is together known as the profile of the soil. Now we will study about different kinds or different types of soil of India. we are going to study about different type of soils of India. How many kinds of soils are there in India? Number one is alluvial soil, and number two is the black soil. Number three is a red or yellow soil. Number four is sandy desert soil. Number fifth, so this is number one, number two, number three, number four, and this is number five, sandy desert soil and laterite soil. Laterite soil and mountain soil. So these are the 6 kinds of soil which are found in India. First one is the alluvial soil, second one is the black soil, third one is the red or yellow soil, fourth is the sandy desert soil, fifth is the laterite soil, and sixth is the mountain soil. So these are the types of soil found in India. Now let's study soil in India have formed under hot and humid climate and from different types of parent rock. So the color of soil, their minerals, compositions, texture, structure and organic content vary from place to place. Broadly, 6 types of soil are found in India. 6 types of soil are found in India. Alluvial soil, black soil, red and yellow soil, sandy desert soil, laterite soil and mountain soil. So these are the types of soil which are found in India. Let's study about the alluvial soil. This is found in the plains along the river Ganga and Brahmaputra and in the deltas of southern peninsula along the eastern coast. दक्षिण में पेनिनसुला के जो है पूर्वी तट पर गंगा और ब्रह्मपुत्र नदी के किनारे जो भारी मात्रा में मिट्टी पाई जाती है उसे एलुवियल सॉइल, जलोढ़ मिट्टी कहा जाता है। इन हिंदी इट इज कॉल्ड जलोढ़ मिट्टी। सो एलुवियल सॉइल इज फाउंड इन द प्लेन्स अलोंग द रिवर्स गंगा एंड ब्रह्मपुत्र एंड इन द डेल्टा ऑफ साउदर्न पेनिनसुला along the eastern coast. This is fine grained soil. This is called fine grained soil because it brought down and deposited by the river. It is called fine grained soil brought down and deposited by the rivers. It is very rich in minerals content and therefore most suitable for large scale agriculture in India. So alluvial soil is most suitable for the large scale agriculture in India. It is called fine grained soil, it is brought down by the rivers and brought down and deposited by the river. This type of soil, that means alluvial soil, is found in the plains along the rivers of Ganga and Brahmaputra and in the deltas of southern peninsula along the eastern coast. Now, black soil. So, where it is found? Ganga and Brahmaputra. And Brahmaputra. It is brought and deposited by the river Ganga and Brahmaputra and found in the southern peninsulas along the eastern coast. Okay, as it contains rich mineral, rich in minerals, therefore most suitable for large scale of agriculture in India. Most suitable for agriculture. So alluvial soil is most suitable for the agricultural soil because it contains rich in minerals. It is found in the plains along the rivers Ganga and Brahmaputra and in the deltas of southern peninsulas along the eastern coast. This is a fine grained soil brought down and deposited by the rivers. It is very rich in minerals contents, therefore most suitable for the large scale agriculture. Black soil. This soil is found over lava. This soil, have you not done this? Okay. Black soil. Now we are going to study about the second one, the black soil. Black soil found over lava deposit in the Deccan. It is found in Deccan. Okay. Where it is found? Black soil is found in the Deccan or in the parts of Maharashtra, western Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat and parts of Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. These are the places of India where the black soil is found. These soil are often called black cotton soil, as this type of soil is suitable for growing cotton. So locally they are called regu. Locally black soil is also called regu. Okay, it is also called regu. It is found in Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Gujarat, parts of Andhra and Deccan. Okay, these are the places where the black soil is found, and this is also called black cotton soil, as this type of soil is suitable for the growing cottons. So locally they are called regu. This soil can retain water and are rich in organic content. So this soil is rich in organic content. It is suitable for growing cotton. That's why it is also called black cotton soil. In local language it is called regu. Okay, and this type of soil is found in Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, western Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, parts of Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Okay, now red or yellow soil. The third one is the red and yellow soil. Now red soil and yellow soil have the same color as their name suggests. They get their color from huge concentration of iron oxide. They are found around the black soil zone in the western Ghat, eastern Madhya Pradesh and in parts of Odisha, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. These soil form over different rock types and cannot retain much moisture. One can find stunted forest and drought resistant crop growing abundantly on the such soil type. Okay, got it? That where the red or yellow soil found in India, it is found in the western Ghats, eastern Madhya Pradesh and in the parts of Orissa, Tamil Nadu. These soils form over the different rock types and cannot retain much moisture. Now sandy and desert soil. Fourth type of soil is sandy and desert soil. These are found in the dry and semi-dry areas. In Rajasthan, dry and semi-dry areas. So this type of soil, that means that is a sandy desert soil, is found in the dry and semi-dry areas of Rajasthan and parts of Gujarat. These soil are sandy to gravelly with low organic content and low nutrients. They vary in color from reddish to light brown. The soil has high soluble salts, but it is low on humus content. Sandy desert soil is not suitable for cultivation crop. So this is not suitable for crop. Sandy desert soil is not suitable for crop. It is found in dry or semi-dry area of Rajasthan and Gujarat. Okay, these soils are sandy to gravelly with low organic content. This soil has neither good or neither sufficient organic materials nor humus. So that is why this soil is not suitable for the cultivation of crop. Laterite soil, the areas that receive high rainfall, heavy rainfall, mostly have a laterite type of soil. It is also reddish in color but different from red soil in their minerals compositions. Weathering plays a major role in the formations of this soil. These lumpy soil can be broken down easily when they are damp, but when they are dry, they turn hard as a rock. So this type of soil is found in mostly heavy rainfall areas. These are locally known as the pads in the Chota Nagpur and Plateau area. Got it? So laterite soil is the soil which is generally found in the heavy rainfall area. And this soil is very good for cultivations. Mountain soil. Last one is the mountain soil. These are found in the Himalayas mountains and vary from deep alluvium in valleys to highly gravelly soil based on altitude and vegetations. The mid-altitude zone contains coniferous tree and low humus content. So the soil surface of the higher altitude frozen areas remain under snow. Under snow, many of the deltaic regions are affected by the tidal waves and currents where the soils are saline. Marshy tracts are usually found in this area. So this is the classifications of soils of India, or the types of soils which are found in India. First one, I have explained you alluvial soil. Second is the black soil. Third is the red yellow soil. Fourth is the sandy soil, sandy desert soil. Fifth is the lateral soil, and sixth is a mountain soil. So there are 6 types of soil found in India. That's much in this video. In the next video, we will study about soil degradation and soil conservation. Thank you for listening me. Have a great day to all of you.